perfect fit. If it doesn't sag down, I knew it was gonna be perfect. Flat, okay.
Yeah, it's pretty darn good. I mean,
This makes it easy, not to even show.
no,
You just put a screw in there and wham bam, you're done.
you got lucky.
Down the middle should be good. Center, I guess.
There we go. That? Mm-hmm. So leave these a little loose.
Back one first.
I'm trying to see. I can't see my. Oh, I see it. Okay.
Make sure it's in. Sometimes they don't
Yeah, it's good.
fall in the groove. Alright.
Raise it up or?
Yeah, let me get the flat bar.
So once we get the door raised up where it goes, then we're going to use it to check for square for your sides. So we know how much shim we need to do. There you go. Okay. A little more. Okay. Okay. Okay.
You want to slide, line them up and slide them from one side. Make sure they don't change. Sometimes your track will be.
Oh, a little.
I already had to tweak the end.
Oh, because the track's bent on one end.
You get over a little bit and then it'll want to go down.
Oh.
These look pretty good. So you can just take this. These are both the same. Shim your bottom right there. The back you're gonna have to twist. Put it in and twist it.
Okay, don't turn it. Nope.
Nope, too much. Take the thin one out.
Okay. Yep, it's pretty good.
Alright.
Nail it.
Well, put 2 nails on each side, kind of hold it over.
Beautiful.
Stay about right.
This one's a little twisted too.
Alright. Probably good.
Alright. Looks good from out here. All right, so here's the doors finished with trim on. For a quick recap, first thing we did was we screwed the side jambs into the top rail. Then we did a quick fit to see how everything went together. And then we held a 4-foot level up on the railing, and this railing has to be level. Otherwise the doors are going to want to slide one way or the other potentially, or not work correctly. If the railing is not level, then we have to take the sides and cut them down to make this railing level, which is what I had to do on this door. So the reasons for that is one jamb might be longer than the other a little bit, or the floor might be slightly uneven. Either way, you got to trim these sides down to make this top level. So after you verify this is level and you trim your jambs if needed, you screw everything back together, set it in place, put a screw up here in your railing to hold your top in place. Then you can put some shims up here on top to kind of hold everything in place up here, and do a couple trim nails through here. Then you're ready to hang your door. You put this hardware back here on the door that has your wheel that goes in the track, and you put your couple screws in, and then this is adjusted up. Then you kind of hang the back door first like this, hook it in. As you can see, there's actually an adjustment there to be able to swing this up and down. So then when you're done and you got your back door mounted and you want to lock it in place, you put this bottom screw in, which will prevent this from wanting to slide up over time. Then once the doors are set in place, you actually use them to check for plumb on your side jambs. You do this by closing the door and making sure the gap is even all the way down. And when you swing your door over, you add your shims in the middle and on the bottom to make your gap even, and then you put your trim nails in. And you check on both sides with both doors. So I'm going to swing this door over and check as well, and make sure the gap's nice and even. Here's a quick tip with these doors. I like to put these little rubber pads on so that it doesn't make such a loud bang every time you open and close the door. Then after the doors are hung and you got these shimmed out and nailed, the next thing to do is to set this bottom guide rail piece that prevents the doors from going in and out. That's very easy. You just set it in place and screw it down to the floor. Then after that, you're ready to put on your trim, which will also reinforce the door significantly. And that wraps up this video. If you found this helpful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.